Hey, what's up? DeveDal here. In today's video, I'm going to review the DJI Pocket 2. It is a very nice pocket camera from DJI. If it's your first time here, welcome to DeveDal, where I do tech unboxing, tutorials, reviews, and tips and tricks. If you're interested in any of what I just mentioned, consider subscribing. This is my first experience with a pocket camera. DJI came out with the first model last year. I personally did not have any interest in using it. 2 weeks ago when they announced the Pocket 2, I thought it was a good idea to take a look. And honestly, I love it. When I'm reviewing a product, I always like to unbox it and show you what's included in the box. Right when you open the box, you can see that there's a diagram inside that shows you the power button and the 2 adapters. It's very well packed. In this small box, we have the windscreen for the wireless microphone. This is the mini control stick. This is a USB-C adapter. This is a lightning adapter. This is a wide angle lens. This is the wrist strap. And this one is the charging cable that can charge the pocket camera and the wireless mic. Next, we have the warranty and the quick guide. DJI also included stickers. They did not put any stickers in the OM4, neither the Mavic Air 2, the drone that they released this year. And at the bottom of the box, they put the other accessories. Here you have the do-it-all handle. This is the receiver for the wireless mic. This is the actual wireless mic. This one is the micro tripod. And this is the tripod mount, 1/4 inch. And lastly, the actual Pocket 2 inside the cover. It is very small and easy to carry in your pocket. It comes with a lot of instruction stickers on it, like all the DJI products. As you see, it is shorter than my hand, so very easy to carry. The DJI Pocket 2 has all the same features as the OM4. The only thing is you can use it without a phone, but it's way more expensive than the OM4. The DJI Pocket 2 comes in standard. That has only the Pocket 2, the mini control stick, the tripod mount, 2 smartphone adapters, the charging cable, and the wrist strap. It costs $349. And the creator combo that has everything that you see in unboxing costs $499, a difference of $150. If you were to buy the accessories separately, you would spend approximately $250. So it's better to get the creator combo. If you're interested, you can check the link in the description below. I'm going to be testing the built-in mic and the wireless mic to show you the difference. Now we outdoor testing the mic. I'm actually using the integrated mic, and I'm going to use the wireless mic so you can notice the difference. The wireless mic does have a windscreen on it, and we outdoor, it's very windy and we have a lot of ambient noise, so I'm going to turn it on and you can notice the difference. Alright, right when you turn it on, it connects automatically. And now I'm using the wireless mic with the windscreen on, so you can notice the difference when I was using the integrated mic and now I'm using the wireless mic. I'm going to move away from the camera with the wireless mic to check the range. And I'm going away. I'm approximately 10 feet away, 20 feet away. So I'm going back. I'm 30 feet away right now. I'm 40 feet away and it's very windy, 50 feet away. So now I think you probably still can hear me, but I'm going further, about 60 feet. Now I'm at 60 feet away from the camera. Hopefully you can still hear me. And you know, it's a very helpful accessories, because when you're filming outdoors, you really need your audio to sound clear. So you don't need someone to hold a boomstick. So this little device right here, it really helps. And you know, I'm talking about the whole Pocket 2. It's a camera, it's a gimbal. The creator combo comes with a mic and with a lot of other accessories that you see in the unboxing. So you can also attach a lav mic to the transmitter if you don't want this to, you know, it's small, but you can put it on your clothes and it's not going to look good. So you can have a lav mic attached to it. As now I have like a lav mic, and we're going to test it right now. All right, it's connected right now, and you can put the transmitter in your pocket or somewhere else. You can attach it to your clothes or wherever it's convenient for you. So yeah, now I'm using the lav mic, and you can notice the difference between the lav mic, the transmitter, and the integrated mic. The DJI Pocket 2 is easy to use. It does have a screen where you can access everything. The control buttons are easy to use. And on top of that, it is a gimbal, so stabilization is on point. No need to calibrate. Turn on and it's ready to shoot. To get to the menu, you swipe from the right. To see the footage, you swipe from the left. To get to the settings, you swipe from the bottom. When you swipe up, you enter the gimbal settings. And when you swipe down, you enter the touchscreen settings. This little camera can shoot from 1080p, 2.7K, and 4K. It does have panel mode, time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow-mo. You have other settings like waterproof. When you are using the waterproof case, you have to go to settings and turn it on because you will be using it remotely. The most important thing to me in the new Pocket 2 is the wireless mic. It is very helpful. If you're a creator and you like to travel light, the Pocket 2 can be very useful. This was my review for the Pocket 2. If you're interested in getting it, check the link in the description below. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you found value in this content and you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.